Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering the best source, RAW if you have it, otherwise the original JPEG. Open a duplicate so you never overwrite the master. This preserves detail for retries. Once done, launch an editor that offers deblur, sharpening, and noise reduction, Photoshop, Lightroom, or a dedicated AI debluring tool. You're starting the rescue, not making it perfect yet. Make small, incremental changes, and zoom to 100% to honestly judge improvement. You need to identify the blur. Motion blur behaves differently than soft focus or shake. Once identified, apply a targeted approach. Mask the main subject and run debluring there, leaving background untouched to prevent halo artifacts. After deblur, use selective sharpening on edges and add subtle local contrast to recover perceived detail. Make sure to toggle previews, compare before and after. If halos appear, reduce strength and blend with opacity sliders until results look natural. You're in the final stage. Apply noise reduction after sharpening to control grain, then correct color and exposure so recovered detail looks real. Make tiny clarity and vibrance tweaks, then save an editable master and export a high-quality copy. If artifacts remain, don't crank a single filter. Instead, use multiple light passes or switch algorithms. Frequency separation, motion deblur, or AI models can vary. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see ringing or halos, back off strength, mask, and repeat in smaller steps to preserve natural edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.